is a package I got from Let's Make Art. There's a kit in here that I'm going to do. It's a winter set, and I got a couple of paints, bottles of golden paint because it was on sale. So that's the kit. Paint. That's it. So for the acrylic, I got phthalo green and a yellow shade, phthalo blue and the red shade, and I got violet oxide. So, okay, I just did a quick, quick swatch of the golden paints that I got with the. Don't pay attention to this. It's for video last week. This was the. I just want to show you the difference. So what I got was, this is the violet oxide, which is kind of a maroon color. And this is the phthalo blue red shade, and this is the phthalo green yellow shade. And down here I did the, they're opposites. I did the green shade, the phthalo blue green shade, and the phthalo green blue shade. So you can kind of see, you can see more definitely with the greens, the warmer shade and the cooler shade. And I think you can kind of see that the red is a cooler shade and the green is a little bit of a warmer shade. They're a little more subtle, but the greens you can definitely tell. So that was the little swatch for the goldens. Here. Oh yeah, and it comes with these, it's like the pigment powder. Yeah, it says right there, pigment powder. So that's a new thing I guess they're trying out. It's their brand. And it's got a little spoon. Another little spoon. Cute. And the other thing is the bleed-proof white. So I got paint, deep yellow, black, sea salt, that's new, and forest green. So these projects, it's called Let It Snow. So they're like winter projects. I fell in love with the bunny, so that's pretty much, that's what got me. So there's snowmen, which is cute. I don't know where the camera is. And a little cardinal, I like that. Oh, that's pretty too. You can see the pigment powder here. That's pretty. Very loose, so it's going to be difficult for me to do. And a little cardinal, I really like that. And I might do that for my mom for Christmas. Get a little frame for it. And the bunny is so cute. Oh, I love the bunny. Okay. Those. Oh, and this one. I thought there was 4. And a little candle. And you can see the pigment powder there. What colors are these? So that one's like silvery, kind of. What color does it say? Blue silver dual tone, and this is red gold dual tone. I wonder where the red is used. And I can see the blue here. I don't know. There's a lot of paper. Feels like there's more paper than usual. Alright, so there's a couple of... So the bunny has an outline and the lantern has an outline, and I guess the snowman and the cardinal forest thing. These two are just sort of drawn. So those will be good. So I'm going to do these projects and I'll come back to you with it. So I'll be back when there's more news to report. All right, I thought I would try these out. These are the pigment powders. And just see what they look like. Let me get... this brush looks so All right. Ooh. Ooh, it's so shiny. So you can either just add water to it and use it like a watercolor, or you can drop in. This is so fine. I know, they gave us spoons. This is a pretty color. All right, let's see. Oh, oh, it's very gold. It's a very neat effect. Let's do this one. This one's blue. Let me put some water down. Look, silver. It's supposed to be blue, I thought. Maybe it's not. Maybe it is just silver. Oh. No, it is silver. I thought it was blue for some reason. Well, it says blue on it, doesn't it? Blue silver. All right, well. Oh, okay, there's some blue. Okay, now we see it. So those are I think the red looks really neat with the gold. So these are different from the ones I've had before. I don't think I've had metallic ones, just regular pigment. So I really like the red one. So I don't know really what product. I think it's just I think it's used like in a forest background, and I think the Let's Make Art Matter postcard uses it in like behind a Christmas tree. So I'll have to. Hey, I never do that. When I've done these boxes before, I've just done the projects, but they do have a Let's Make Art Matter postcard, and they do a little project on that too. So maybe I'll add that in here. All right, so that's the pigment. Oh yeah, you can see there's more blue now, and some red in there. It's really neat. Okay. Right. I finished the projects for the or Let It Snow. There were 4 projects, plus there was a Let's Make Art Matter postcard, which I attempted and did really badly, but then I redid it on a large piece of paper and I liked it a lot better. So, so let's see. This one is. Did they give a name to it? Winter Snowstorm, I think. And I love that because I love the little cardinal. So that one, when I first started doing it, I was like, oh, I don't like how this is turning out, but it didn't come out as bad as I thought. I had problems making mine look like hers. The way this stuff works, the pigment powder, because she gave us little spoons to use, but when I used the spoons, it just came out in big clumps, and I just didn't like it. So what I ended up doing is I took a paintbrush, a dry paintbrush, and dipped it and just kind of flicked it or hit the handle of it just to give it a lighter touch. So that tended to work a little bit better. But maybe you just need to practice and get the hang of it. I don't know. Because the pigment powder I've used in the past has come in a little container with a small opening, so you could just tap the bottle and it would come out a little at a time. So anyway, so that's the, what did I say it was? Snowstorm? Winter Snowstorm. So I think that came out okay. All right, the next one is, this is the lantern. snowy lantern. Again, the same thing with this background. Although this came out okay, I didn't mind this. Did I have any issues with it? Not really. I don't think so. No. So that's that. The only difference is I made mine, the little stars yellow as if the light was coming through, and on the picture they're dark. They're a black color, but I figured if there was a candle there would be light coming through. So that. And I did the snowman, friendly snowman. And I was happy with the way this color, sea salt, is a really good color because it's just light enough so that it does look like a darker shade of white. You know what I mean? It gives a really nice shadow to it. I got a little... I like how I did the arms, and I loved the cardinal. I think the cardinal came out really cute. But I think I kind of overdid it here because there was a lot more blooms than there was in the beginning, and I really like that first attempt better, but oh well. Not too bad. I like the way the hat came out. All right, and then there was the bunny. This is the reason I got the kit in the first place, because I love the bunny. Snow Rabbit. I just thought that was cute. My issue is with this red. As you can see, if you look at it, you can see it's got a real golden hue to it because there was no red included. There was this, which is red gold dual tone pigment pattern. So you can really see the gold, which is fine, but it didn't look like that in the pictures. It looked like she used a different kind of red because I didn't see any gold. So what I did is I used one of my reds that I had, although this one, I can see some gold in it. But I did end up just using one of my own red liquid watercolors because I just didn't, it was very pinkish, and then there was like an overwhelming gold tone to it, so, which is fine if you like that, but I was kind of looking for the real red color, so yeah, I can see there's gold on there. But yeah, I love how the little bunny came out, so cute. Very cute. And this one is the postcard. It was supposed to be postcard sized, but I didn't like, it was my first attempt at using this, so it was kind of messy, so I decided just to do it in a larger size. And yeah, and I really like the way the red came out, even though it looks really messy. I really like it. Just the way it's placed makes it just, I don't know, it just looks kind of cool. So yeah, I do like that. So yeah, that was my experience with this stuff. These are interesting. I'm not sure how often I'd use them, but they're really good for these projects, for like Christmassy, sparkly type stuff. And I really like this this sea salt color. It's like a very light aqua green color. All right, so I guess that's it for this box. So let me think. Next week is the update on my sketchbook project that I've been doing for a year. And then I think the new year is coming in, so who knows. I think I'm gonna start on the calendar that I got in the Advent box, which is the one where you paint each month, you paint a picture on the calendar, so who knows. All right, anyway, happy holidays, happy new year if we're there yet. No, we're not there yet. Are we there yet? No. I think Christmas is a couple days ago from this point, so all right, happy holiday-ish. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.